time, everybody. Hope you're doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at Stomper.com. Alrighty, guys. We've got a little rebuild review here. We got a 2-pill base. Lost a friend of mine. Haven't completely rebuilt it. It's all brand new, ready to go. New transistors, new transformers, everything. Donkey Stomper 2-pill base. It's really hauling. And I'm not even going to drive it. It's doing so good. We'll start out with radio drive. Straight through SWR, worldwide, get on down. Input SWR, I'm on 0, brake. Believe it or not, here's your output PEP with 50 watt drive, 1, 2, 50 watt radio drive, get right there. That's about all you can ask for. 5-1 reverse, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very little, 2500 watt PEP. Hello worldwide, wide, it's a hot one. We're over on the outdoor dummy load. Gives you 2 different meters, let's see there which way. Here we go, outdoor dummy load, different meter, different way. So you're looking at it in 3 different meters and 2 different loads. Get on down. There's a drive from a radio, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Get on down. But there she is, man. She's all ready to go, fixed for you. So much a quick video. We'll get her back to you. Hope you enjoy. Alrighty, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, perks. Check out our merch store. Big shout out to YouTube, Patreon channel members. Y'all take care. Your friend Tim's there on A Beavis.